Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 92 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tarte Maneater Mascara, and I have to give a shout out to my boyfriend's sister Lisa. She is so sweet and gave me a bunch of new makeup products to try out, and this is one of them. I'm so excited to try out all of the products that she gave me, so thank you so much, Lisa. So a little bit about this mascara. It's only available at Ulta, and it claims to give 23 times more lash volume with just 2 coats. So that's a very exact number for amount of volume that it claims to have. It says it lifts lashes, it curls them, it fans them out. It says it contains lash strengthening ingredients, and it claims to not flake or clump. So those are some great claims. Very excited to try it out. I like brushes like this that have very small bristles. So I have nothing on my lashes. I didn't curl them. So let's just see how it looks. Okay, so first layer of mascara is applied, and so far it's great. The applicator is so easy to work with, and it really gets every lash. So every lash right now is looking longer, darker, and more volumized. And I'm feeling like my eyelashes do have a good lift because I didn't curl them, but they are having a nice curl and facing upwards more compared to this eye with no mascara. Absolutely no clumping, and I love that each individual lash is separated and coated. I really like that type of mascara where it looks like you have a lot of lash hairs because each hair gets coated and it's not clumping the hairs together. Let's go in with that second coat and see if the 23 times more volume claim after 2 coats is true. Okay, second coat of mascara is applied, and I'm going to zoom you in so that you can get a really good view of the difference between my eye without the Maneater mascara and the eye with it, because I am so amazed by the difference. My eyelashes look exactly how I want them to look with mascara. They almost look like they don't need false eyelashes because they are so volumized, they are so well lifted, there's no clumping, they're separated, they're dark. I'm just so happy with the results of this mascara. I feel like it really did live up to all of those claims that I read. Maybe 23 times the amount of volume is an exaggeration, but there is so much volume added to my lashes. I also feel like it was so easy to apply because this applicator is perfect. I usually get mascara like all over my eyelid, and I have none. Like, that never happens to me, and it's always such a pain to have to go back in and rub it off, and I mess up my eyelashes. So I am so happy that that's not an issue. Wow, it just did a really great job on my lower lash line too. It was so quick to apply, and once again, I'm not getting any mascara like underneath my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, mascara is applied to both eyes, and I'm so happy with how this looks. I love the effect of this mascara. My one kind of downside to this mascara is that it is pricey. I tried out that Wet n Wild Mega Lash Mascara that I found at the dollar store. I'll link that video up above. And I thought that that mascara was so good, and it really gave me very similar lashes to this Maneater mascara from Tarte. So I will say that this is good mascara, but is it worth the price when you can get basically just as good mascara for $1? That's where it gets hard for me to say that I would recommend this product, because I want to save money. I don't want to be spending 23 times as much money on a product when there's no need. Like, sure, it's good and my eyelashes look great, but I don't think that's really worth it to me. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree or disagree, because now that I've tried out a new makeup product every day for 92 days in a row, of course that gets very expensive to do, so I don't want to be spending a lot of money on makeup products, but I also am really thinking about all aspects of a product, and price is very important to me. And so I'm really interested to see if that's important to all of you as well. But needless to say, since I have this, I'm definitely going to continue to wear it because I love how my lashes look. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.